This is Tony. Today we're touring a studio in an 18-unit building on Nob Hill on Sacramento Street between Jones and Leavenworth. Very well-run building, very nice building manager. The property management company keeps it in great shape too. Real hardwood floors, it's been freshly painted. Great layout. Building is on a steam heat system, so you don't pay extra for heat. Great kitchen too. That's real tile floor, gas range. Plenty of cabinet space. Nice and quiet because it's away from the street. Great closet space too. So you've got this pocket door, and you've got this very generous closet. Yes, it goes way back. Location's great too. It's only a block from Huntington Park, Grace Cathedral, only a block from Masonic Center and all the great concerts. LeBeau Market, the neighborhood market, is only a block away, my favorite, on Leavenworth. Walking distance to restaurants, nightlife. So there's the entrance to the unit. There's another generous closet. And you've got the bathroom here. Very well done. It's in great shape. Very easy commute to Financial District. If you do have a car, there's plenty of garages nearby for parking. There's laundry downstairs. Great package. So if you have any questions at all or would like to schedule a viewing of this fantastic studio apartment on Nob Hill on Sacramento Street, feel free to give me a call at 415-377-7571. That's 415-377-7571. Again, my name is Tony, and thanks for watching.